Good morning, dear student. I'm your English teacher, and today we are going to start articles. In articles, it is on the page number 3939. We shall continue this exercise. Read the letter Rakhi wrote to her friend. This is a letter. It was written by Rakhi, and she has written this letter to her friend. A friend, and mark the places where she forgot to put in article. In this letter, she had forgot to use the articles. Write the missing articles in the space provided. You have to use the right articles. Okay, where we have to use. Near Amita, we have finally come on trip to Egypt, which we have been come on trip. On trip will not come. Our trip will come. We have finally come on our trip to Egypt, which have been like this. Planning for year, we traveled by plane to Cairo and from. 4 year will not come, a year will come. Planning a year, we traveled by plane to Cairo and from. There by bus to site of pyramids. Use the full stop. Egypt is as fantastic as. So two side will not come, the site will come. There by bus, the site of pyramids. Egypt is as fantastic as said. We say great pyramids, of course. So the brochures will come. We saw the great pyramids, the brochure will come. A restoration job going on around is finished, so we had to choose a restoration will come. Restoration, it was a restoration, so we'll use a restoration will come. Camera angles very carefully to get best pictures we spent. So here is best, so we will use the best. The best pictures we spent. Some time just walking around in spite of heat taking in. So heat of heat it is written here. So we will use the heat. Sometimes just walking around in spite the heat taking in many interesting sights all around. Next day we took boat tour on Nile and we had lunch on. So we will use the Nile. The Nile boat. It was delicious meal. So we will use a delicious meal. There were beans and vegetables. So we will use boat. So the boat will come. The boat. It was delicious meal. There were beans and vegetables. Dishes for vegetarian. Though they did not taste like Indian, so we will use the Indian. I told you where we are talking about the nationality, the Indian, the French, so we will use the. So the Indian on and the vegetarian. So dishes for the vegetarian, though they did not taste like the Indian. Dishes we have at home. They were among best dishes I have had. So we will use the best. Dishes we have at home. They were among the best dishes I have had. Next, tonight we will take overnight train. Tonight we will take overnight train to S1 to see famous. So we will use the famous. Okay. And there is overnight, so we will use an overnight. Tonight we'll take an overnight train to S1 to see the famous dam and also visit Abu Simbel temples located nearby. So we will use dam and also visit the Abu Simbel temples located nearby. Best wishes, Rakhi. Okay, my dear, it was the letter and it has completed, I think, article. Okay, so we shall continue the next chapter on tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.